turning back. In the mirror I'm afraid. What I see, I'm afraid that it's me. I'm afraid.
What is the answer? The answer is Christ. Christ is the one who said, I am the truth. He is totally uncompromising, Christ. And yet, he's the most gentle person whenever you were to meet him. He is both the lion
Wat een voddeman is, hè?
and he's the lamb.